I love you. I love you. Mwah. I love you.
Welcome to my channel, Lala Gang, Lala Squad. And today we got Chon Korean fried chicken. I got the soy garlic, and I got the plain chicken. I got some fries, and I got some kimchi. I cannot wait to taste the kimchi. Okay. I've been on TikTok a lot lately. My favorite group on TikTok is these two boys from New Orleans called FreshXReckless. That girl, where you going? I ain't do it right there. It's back here. Ooh, I think it's D-Lo and Mel. It was a group of 4 of them, but I like it better with just 2. My favorite one in the group is Mel, cause he be like, I love you. I don't know, that just make my day. That really just be making my day. It makes me smile like real hard. Let me open my stuff because I'm just so excited to. And I got a strawberry white claw. Yes. Gotta be aggressive. I gotta season my fries. I'm gonna taste the kimchi first because I be seeing it on TV and I be like, ooh, I want to eat that. I got I think this like spicy mayonnaise. You got the Korean fried chicken. I'm gonna taste this kimchi first. I got the today. I'm gonna put this to the side. Today it's finally snowing in Chicago. I know everybody putting their tree up. Look, in November, it's basically December, so you might as well just start setting up for Christmas. And then I see this TikTok, this girl's like, I don't want nobody else man or nobody else husband, period. You can keep it. Oh, I want to use the chopsticks again. Open them. Like, why my chopsticks not? Why my chopsticks not chopsticking? Like, I'm so excited to taste this. I don't want to break them. I think he supposed to break them. Okay. First things first. Kimchi. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. I'm having a good day today. I ordered my food, then I made a couple of TikToks. No. Okay. I think I'm gonna like it. And then I'm gonna try to taste the kimchi. I'm gonna try to okay. I think it's like, okay, this is my first taste. I like it. That spicy pickle taste good. Let me get into this chicken. This Korean fried chicken. I love the kimchi. Kimchi is good. I got the soy garlic and the regular. Okay, let me get them. Oh, it's so good. These are my fries. Let me get the drum first. Let me see. These are soy garlic rings. They is so good. Fall off the bone. It's good. Let me open up my liquor. That group I was talking about earlier, I wish they was a little older. They like 22. Well, I think both of them like 22. I'm 29. I think I'm too old for them. Where y'all uncles at? I think they from New Orleans. They fine. Where y'all uncles? Y'all daddies. I don't know. Y'all cousins. Somebody that's 29 like me. Cause I can't be no cougar out here in these streets. Oh, I finally opened it. This is my first time tasting one of these too. It's actually good. What alcohol percentage is that? I don't see it, but it's good. I'm gonna take some more of this kimchi. When I tell you that song, living my mind rent free, because this food is spicy. I just be waking up from their home. I think it's called Captain Saber. Captain Saber. Ooh. I look back, I like their old songs too. I like In the Club. Cause I feel like Mel turned up In the Club. Oh, look at this chicken. It's got a plain chicken. It's cooked just right. It's good. They did not disappoint. I give this Korean fried chicken a 10 out of 10. The kimchi, I give that like a, it's real spicy. If you like spicy food, I give that like a 9 out of 10. And this White Claw strawberry, the strawberry can, I give this a 10 out of 10. I like the taste. Comment down below what y'all want to eat next. I really want to try some Dominican food. Or Mediterranean food. I never tried Mediterranean food. Oh. Not my hair. Drink some water. I always like to drink water every day. You gotta drink water and mind your business. Mind your business. I got the pink lemonade. But if you in Chicago, Illinois, and you want some Korean fried chicken, yes, try this place. I'm probably saying it wrong. It's called Bon Chon, I think. So that's BONCHON. But it's the kimchi bussin', chicken bussin', and they fries is good. All my food was hot, not cold. I love this soy fried chicken. I love it. I mean, I think it's soy garlic fried chicken, but it's good. I'm gonna try to show y'all my outfit. It's cut out on this side, it's cut out on this side, and it's like a look. Turtleneck. I bought this from Fashion Nova. Y'all know what else is good? The kombucha wine. It's so good. And get you where you want to be at in life. I love trying new foods and be surprised at the food. Follow me on all social platforms. Facebook, I have 2. Letitia Spencer, Lala Spin, and follow me on Instagram, Lala vs Food. Follow me on TikTok, Lala_Lolita69. All of these will be in the description down below. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see it. You know, a bad bitch eating on some good food, because you know I be looking good. This is a production. Like, when I do my videos, I get up, I get ready, I do my hair, I put on lip gloss, I put on perfume, like I'm actually going somewhere, and I don't be going nowhere but in my living room to film a mukbang. But you gotta be presentable. Oh, excuse me. You gotta be presentable. So I be looking real good. And then after I do my mukbangs, I take my hair off, I take all this stuff off, then I just watch TV and chill. But I gotta be given an experience, you know what I mean? But I wanna say, I love how y'all been commenting. I love engaging with y'all. I reply to every comment. If it's negative, I just delete it. But I reply to every comment because, you know, I'm a small YouTuber, and I be like, okay, I see how y'all vibing with me. Y'all vibing with me. Like, y'all really, really vibing with me. And I like that. So, yeah. Korean fried chicken, bussin'. Good, good, good. Very, very, very good. Kimchi, I tried it for the first time. It's very good. It's good. Maybe because I like pickles. I love pickles. It's like a pickled cabbage, I think. I'm not sure what it, I think that's what it is. But I love kimchi. And this, I like anything with a little liquor in it. You know, look, not alcohol, liquor. You know, it's gonna get me right there. So yeah, I mess with it. 10 out of 10. Anything pink lemonade, I love it. See y'all next time. Mediterranean or Dominican? Comment down. Mediterranean food or Dominican food? Comment down below.